Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carl Joshua P. Ochoco, CCSC faculty, and welcome back to our video. So this video will show you how to install and download the Netbeans 8.2 on your laptop. So 8.2 we'll be using because it is the latest version of Netbeans. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so this is the interface of the link that I will send on your Google Classroom. Open it on your browser. So NetBeans 8.2, there's a different this is a different link because the on the orientation we use the link netbeans.org. So netbeans.org is you're just going to download the compiler NetBeans and not the JDK for Java. So in this link, we will be using the Oracle. Okay, then we will install the JDK in our NetBeans. So this is one set. So if you download this JDK, NetBeans compiler will also be downloaded. Okay, so let's start. So 8.2 is the latest version of NetBeans. So you have different choices. So Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. For the Windows, I'm using the 64-bit for this PC. So I will be clicking this .exe to download the NetBeans or the compiler. Okay, so after you download this, so let's wait for the file to be downloaded. Okay, so the file is already done downloading. So let's open the .exe. Okay, so this is the IDE or Java SE development kit and NetBeans IDE installer. So this is one set JDK for the Java and NetBeans IDE for the compiler. So just click the next button. Okay, then click the next again. Then click install. Okay, so after how many minutes of installing the JDK and NetBeans, so this is the next step. So just click the finish. Okay, so this done. So after that, you can use now your NetBeans 8.2 for our programming activities. So let's check if there's a NetBeans. So this is the interface of NetBeans IDE 8.2 for Java. Okay, so we'll be using this one for our programming. So for example, let's try to open a file or create a file. Then let's print simple text. Okay, so open file, new project. Okay, then click the Java for the categories. Java for applications for the project, then click next. Okay, then the project name, this will be, for example, NetBeans. Okay, so next, click the finish. Okay. So let's start. Let's try to output a simple text. So system cut system.out cut. So system.out print. Okay. So after that, if you want to check your output, just simply click the play button or start or run the project. So this one. So it's also have a shortcut. Just click the F6. So if you click this, So it will show you a simple output. Welcome to Netbeans installation or download tutorial. So that is how to download and open our Netbeans that will be used for our Java or programming activities. So that's all for our video. So hope to see you again on our next video and good luck. Have fun.